किती लावले
We'll be the banner.
No, he hasn't. Just coming in.
Okay, come this way, come this way.
Sir, we have a bunch of people being brought from somewhere, dumped here, without any knowledge. They don't have any knowledge, they don't have any background. Why is the Goa Medical College turned into a fortress? Don't I have the right to come and see what's happening in Goa Medical? Then why are we stopped? By all these people who he has brought here as security. No, sir. Security. The whole thing is made as a fortress. So security, so much of security, why?
Since in fact you are looking after administration part and all the employees now, I would like to question one thing. The security which was one of the security, the video was gone viral. That person was sleeping on his duty time. Is the person still in the office now? Is there still in the office? Second important thing, sir. Last time, one of the complaints which was registered due to that regarding pharmacy. There were a lot of people who were waiting over there, around 100 to 200 people were waiting over there.
Documents of the postmortem. The postmortem. Other details. These are with you, those documents.
No, you are trying to understand, boss. These documents are in the forensic department.
Yeah, but they're under you, no?
So now it is headless. Even if you go there, we will not get any.
You can talk to the number 2, Dr. Andre is there.
Dr. Andre is there? Okay, we'll go there. He's there? We'll go there.
Then the HM is personally
Doctor,
visited the family.
Doctor, is Father Bismarck's body here or no? We are concerned about that and we are here for that. We want to know what has happened to, because other bodies also are there. So till that inquiry is happening, we want to know what is going to happen to these bodies here and what procedure has been followed.
I can assure you nothing will happen.
No, but this has already happened. So how come it has happened with your...
It is inadvertently, it has happened.
How can it be?
So it has happened because of your mistake, am I right? Then who is responsible for this?
One sec. Doctor, the minister has himself said that he has asked the forensic department to dispose of the unwanted bodies, the unclaimed bodies, as fast as it is possible. Why in a hurry? Without putting a system in place.
Has the notice been issued?
The system is not in place, doctor.
How can you dispose bodies without notifying the families, without putting a public notice? How can you just throw the bodies in the cremation, cremate them?
Why is the hurry?
What procedure has been followed?
Mix up, that's all. The problem of it is we'll find out.
Is it a mix-up?
It's not a mix-up.
Or there was some extraction of organs?
Okay, at least he's not able to answer also. At least tell the name of the people to whom it has been sold.
खयच्या लोकांक ते विकला ती सांग न्ही.
तरी नाव सांग तांका विचारता आम्ही.
इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करतले म्हणटा म्हणल्यार आमचे ऑर्गना विकला आणि मागीर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करा तुम्ही. He doesn't want to deliberately answer. No, that's what. Deliberately is not answering. Here comes the person who knows the thing inside, and he doesn't know. That means whatever we were talking about that organ selling is happening was scam zata sir. That is why he ran away.
Rama, and you know the incident taken place at Goa Velamare, where those wall bodies used to keep,
Exactly. Just captured. The media has given out a video which was captured when the sister was arguing with Dr. Edmund, and there was one person who was in the forensic department who actually came and told. He said, "Apne poel ha ye fresh body munun." So I've asked them to clarify. This is fresh body. This is not an old body. This is not an unclaimed body. This is a fresh body. A fresh body, what's on vichar? Apne poila fresh body म्हणून ते दिवंक जायना. They have not investigated. At that point of time, Dr. Edmund should have actually gone and clarified what that person was talking about. So I think this is not only, this is a deliberate attempt to cover up this the things that have been done to that body.
And nowhere in the world bodies are disposed without informing the families.
See,
or the least they could have done is given public notice. At least public notice they could have given.
आज म्हाका दिसता की 45 इयर्साचो मनशाची बॉडी आणि 24 वर्साच्या मनशाची बॉडी तर वळखपाक कळना जाल्यार जे विश्वजीत राणेन जे हांगासर अनपढ गवार हांगासर बोललेले आसा पळय तांकां सगळ्यांच्याक पयलीं भायर मारपाक जाय. करेक्ट. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणटा ती
We demand the resignation of Vishwajit Rane
because he is not deserving to be a minister.
We demand because Vishwajit Rane has not only spoiled this issue, he has spoiled the formalin issue, he has spoiled the biomedical waste issue,
Dialysis issue.
He is involved in this. He is a criminal. He has criminally disposed of biomedical waste in dumps. I have seen it. I've got videos to show that he has dug pits and dumped all the biomedical waste into those pits. And tomorrow it's going to rain, and that contamination is going to go to the village down. This is criminal. We want him to explain to me.
आज तुमकां सांगता इतले आज एक्चुअली पळोवपाक गेल्यार इवन एक मिनिट
Who's in charge? Second in charge.
For what issue you have come here?
We have asked what has happened. We know. We don't want to repeat what has happened. But
People have to know.
the manner in which bodies are being disposed here, it sounds as if there is something sinister happening. Some organ trading or something illegal things are going on. Otherwise, will they dispose bodies of human beings without informing the families or notifying in the papers? There is no notification. Even cats and dogs die, we inform the neighbor that your dog is dead. Here they have disposed of without knowledge of the families. This is a serious lapse. Secondly, the people who are appointed to inquire this episode are themselves culprits. How can culprits sit in an inquiry and decide about themselves? We want that the High Court should take suo motu notice of this, what has happened, and a High Court monitored inquiry should be ordered. Otherwise, these people will going to give clean sheet to themselves. How can you sit in an inquiry and give yourself a clean sheet?
Okay, because he has messed up on all health issues. He has messed up with the formalin issue. He has messed up now. He was responsible for this. Why he is responsible is because he is acting in a hurry to dispose of the unclaimed bodies from the morgue without putting a system in place. He should have directed the forensic department to actually see in what manner these bodies are going to be disposed. There has been errors. These errors is possibly may have happened because Vishwajit Rane has been pulling up the officials now and again and trying to punish them. And you have brought contractual laborers from outside and you have dumped in the morgue. What do they know? We also want to know how Vishwajit Rane has dumped biomedical waste. If you go there, last year we had done a video. It came in the media of how bodies were burnt. That dump was there almost 5 or 6 tons. Where did that dump go? The dump went behind Goa Medical College compound, and he brought JCB, dug big pits, and he has dumped all the biomedical waste there. Isn't that criminal? If he involves himself, he is responsible. He has made this entire Goa Medical College a fortress because he wants all illegal things to go on here in Goa Medical College. So we demand his immediate resignation. He is not fit to be there. He is not fit to be our health minister.
Your name, please. He resigned. The main problem is
It indicates what Mr. Arthur said. Kickbacks.
Crores of rupees were spent on forensic equipment in Verna. It is still getting rust. It's gathering rust there. Why is that forensic equipment not utilized till today? Why the forensic full-fledged department is not started here? Why we have to send our viceroy to other states?
Forensic lab right now is thinking like anything. Okay, I am myself a paramedic and I have worked in hospital. This is not the way hospital works, yeah. This is not the way a morgue works. A body of a human being which belonged to his parents, which was the property of his parents, has been robbed from them. And government is not taking any sort of action. And it's not only going on since right now. This is nth number of incident. Only difference is that it has come to your notice now. Many bodies have been lost like that. And I, being a petitioner in Father Bismarck murder case, am really seriously doubtful whether Father Bismarck's body is there right now in the morgue or it has also been burnt off like an unclean body.
आज सरकारान अशी परिस्थिती हाडला की आज गोंयकारूच सेफ अशें न्हू पूण जिती आसतना सेफ न्हू पण मेल्या उपरांत सुद्दां तेंची बॉडी सेफ ना आनी दॅट दे हॅव प्रूव्न. सेकंड थिंग इज आज हो जो GMC आसा तो बिझनेस चल्लेलो आसा. तुमी पळयात कॅन्टिनाचे इश्यूज पळयात. कॅन्टिनान कसलें जेवण मेळटा तें पळयात. 2-3 म्हयन्यांनी थंयसर बंद करचें पडटा कॅन्टीन. हेल्थ इश्यूज पळयात थंयसर. फॉर्मेलिनाचे इश्यूज काडलो थंयसर कांय जावन ना. आयज डेड बॉडीचे हितून थंयसर कांय जावन ना. बाकीचे जे फार्मासी जी ओपन आसा थंयसर आमी तांकां वचून विचारलें की इतली लायन कित्याक लागून आसा हांगासर काय म्हणून. ते म्हणटा स्टाफ ना. ऑल दीस थिंग इज बिझनेस बाय दीस 2 राणेस. आज यांचे बिझनेस चल्लेले आसात. आज तुम्ही विचारता मॉर्गान जर मनीस हाडून भरलेले आसा जाल्यार हे वाळपयचे मनीस भरलेले आसा जे अनएज्युकेटेड आसा ट्रकांनी भरून हाडटले हांगासर आनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट करतले जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ युअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. वाय शूड गोवा सफर बिकॉज ऑफ युअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सेकंड इज आज तो फॅमिली कडेन गेलो म्हणटा आनी आपूण चूक मागली म्हणटा थंयसर आनी ताका आपल्याक वायट दिसलें म्हणटा. हांव तुका विचारूंक सोदता हे तर तुमच्याच फॅमिलीच्या मेंबरा कडेन जाल्ले जाल्यार वॉट एक्शन वूड यू हॅव टेकन. आज तू काय घेवचो नाशिल्लो. सो आय डिमांड दॅट फर्स्ट थिंग इज जितले मनीस इन्वॉल्व आसा तांच्यांनी रिजिग्नेशन करपाचें पयलीं आनी मागीर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करपाचें. आयज चोरांक इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करून मागीर कोण चोर दितलो क्लेरिफिकेशन. फादर बिस्मार्काची केस कितें जाला ती आमकां खबर आसा. We want to see that all these people resign first and then the investigation take place. नाजाल्यार कितें जातलें खबर आसा. एक कोण लेबर आसा पळय सगळं केस काडटले हे लेबरान मिस्टेक केला आनी हे लेबराक सस्पेंड करतले आनी हे चोर आसा पळय ते चोरूच उरतले थंयसर. सो आमचे सगळ्यांचे डिमांड आसा की जे पर्यंत ही बॉडीचे जे कल्प्रीट आसा इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करना त्या पर्यंत आमी हे इश्यूज आमी उगी रावपाचे ना आनी वी आर गोइंग टू मेक दीस थिंग व्हेरी क्लियर. आज तुमी मेल्ल्या बॉडीचेर सुद्दां खेळ खेळपाक लागले. जे आमी चिंत्ताले आनी ज्या लोकांक दुबाव आशिल्ले ऑर्गन्स आसा पळय ते जे विकंड जावपाचे म्हणून आमकां आयज हे डॉक्टरान जो आमी डॉक्टराक मेळपाक गेलो तो आमकां आन्सर करपाक रेडी नाशिल्लो. ही इज प्रुवींग हिमसेल्फ दॅट हे आजून चालू आसूं शकता म्हणून तेणी प्रूव करून दाखयलें आमकां. सो आमचो गोंयकारांचो एकूच दुबाव आसा की हो ऑर्गन माफिया हांगासर चालू आसा म्हणून आनी मागता की सरकारा कडेन बेगीचे बेगीन हे एक्शन घेवपाक जाय. ना जाल्यार गोयकार एक्शन घेतली हे 110% शुअर.
Family members. One second.
Family
She's got something to say.
हेल्थ मिनिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे एकूच विचारूंक तो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर जाला तेन्ना काल प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सान ताणें सांगला मोर्गान प्रेशर आसा म्हणून आपूण जाणा. तर प्रेशर अशें आसा म्हणून जाणा जाल्यार ताणें हेल्थ मिनिस्टर जावन ताचेर एक्शन कितें एक्शन घेतला कितें एक्शन घेतलां ताणें हें म्हाका ताणें घुमोवंक जाय आनी घेवंक ना जाल्यार ताणें आयजूच रिजायन जावचें कित्याक ताचे लागीं जायना म्हणून. कित्याक मोर्गान आमी बॉडी दवरता कित्याक दवरता आमच्या निमणी एक वीस घालूंक त्या मनशाचेर आमकां मोग आसा म्हूण त्या मनशाक मेळूंक कसो निमणो आनी हेंच तर तो आमकां दिना करूंक. कित्याक ही एकूच केस न्हू. मडगांव हॉस्पिसेन मोर्ग पळयात तुमी तो मोर्ग चलो ना. त्यो बॉडीज आहा तश्यो पॅक करतात आनी मागीर स्ट्रेट अवे शिमिटेरीन वतात. हें जाल्लें कडेन देखून हांव विचारता ताका कितले दीस जाय ताका हें सारकें करूंक. पुरो तुका दीस दिल्या ते आतां मातशें तूं खाला देंव कोणा लागीं जाता ताका वयर सोडूं. थँक्यू.